Watch this girl sell a skincare serum. Looks like every UGC ad on your For You page, right? A real person, real excitement, holding a real product. She's not a paid creator, she's not a model, she doesn't exist. I made her, the face, the voice, the product in her hand, in about 4 minutes on my PC for basically nothing. And that matters because businesses pay real UGC creators $100 to $300 per video for exactly this. Today, I'm going to show you how to build an entire team of virtual creators that never sleep, never reshoot, and never send an invoice, using a tool called UGCVIDEO.AI, who are sponsoring this video, and who I've genuinely been having way too much fun with. Let's build one from scratch.
Quick plan so you know where we're going. 3 features, 3 steps. First, the UGC Character. This is where you create your virtual influencer, and the key thing is she's reusable. So every ad you ever make uses the same face. Second, the UGC Ad video. We hand her a product and a script and she films the ad. And third, motion sync, which is the one that made my jaw drop, so stay for that. Everything you're about to see is on desktop, in the browser, and I'm showing you every click, no skip steps. Okay, step 1, we need a person. Inside the dashboard, I open UGC Character, and this is where you design your virtual influencer. You describe who you want, age, vibe, look, or start from one of the presets, and it generates a consistent face. I'm making Mila, mid-20s, warm, girl next door energy, the kind of face that reads as a trustworthy micro-influencer rather than a polished model. That's deliberate. In UGC, relatable outsells glamorous every single time. And here's the part that makes this a real tool and not a toy. Once I save Mila, she's locked in. Every future video I make can use this exact same face, same person, same identity across dozens of ads. That's the thing you literally cannot get from real creators without paying a retainer. Perfect brand consistency forever. Common mistake people make here, they generate a different face for every ad. Don't. Pick 1 or 2 characters and make them your brand's faces. A viewer who sees Mila 3 times starts to trust Mila. That repetition is worth more than variety. There she is, saved, reusable, mine. Now let's give her a job. 2 quick things before we make the ad. 1, subscribe if you're into free and cheap AI workflows. It's the whole channel. And I made a free PDF for this video. It's got the exact character descriptions, the ad scripts, and the prompts I'm using on screen, all copy-paste. No email wall, first link in the description. 2, because they're sponsoring this, UGC Video hooked you up. If you sign up with my link in the description, you get 30 free credits just for registering, and another 30 credits after your first generation. So that's 60 credits to build your own Mila and test this properly before you spend a cent. Links down there. Go grab the credits, then come make this with me. This is the one you came for. I open UGC Ad video and I pick Mila as my creator. Now I give her 2 things. A product, I'm uploading a photo of my fake serum, Glow Drop, and a script, the actual words she'll say. And this is where most people fumble the ad, so let me give you the formula that converts. A UGC ad is 3 beats. Hook, a relatable problem in the first 2 seconds. Product, how it fixes it. Push, a reason to act now. So for Glow Drop, Mila says, I stopped buying expensive serums when I found this one. That's the hook. Glow Drop is vitamin C, it's under 20 bucks, and my skin's brighter in a week. Product, they're almost sold out again, so don't sleep on it. Push, 3 lines, done. I hit generate, and this is the process running. I'm not cutting this away, I want you to see it actually work.
Okay. I stopped buying expensive serums. The second I found this one. Glow Drop is pure vitamin C, and it's under 20 bucks. And my skin looked brighter in literally a week. They sold out last time, so I'm not letting you sleep on it. Link's right here.
And there it is. She's holding the product, her lips match the words, the delivery sounds like a genuine recommendation. That is a publish-ready TikTok ad, and it cost me a few credits. Now watch why the reusable character matters. Same Mila, brand new product, a pair of fake sneakers, cloud step, brand new script, 30 seconds of work.
I basically live in these now. Cloud Steps are seriously the comfiest sneakers I've ever owned. They feel just like walking on a mattress, and they genuinely go with everything. They keep selling out, guys, so grab your size while it's still there.
And the last one, Nerf gun advert. Look for yourself how good it looks.
Okay, you guys, I just found the ultimate secret weapon for our house wars. Meet the Nerf Elite Strong Arm. It is literally so much fun to use. It has this rapid-fire rotating barrel that holds 6 darts. Just pump and blast. The distance is insane. We are talking up to 90 feet. Nowhere to hide. Honestly, best purchase ever. Grab yours now and dominate the next game.
Same trusted face, completely different ad. And if I want a different vibe entirely, say a high energy guy for an energy drink, I just build a second character, Dion, and point him at Voltberry.
Bro, the 3 p.m. crash used to absolutely destroy me. Then I found Voltberry. It's clean caffeine, 0 sugar, and it gives me insane energy. And the best part, it actually tastes like real fresh berries, not that fake cough syrup stuff. Seriously, grab a pack before your next workout. Trust me, you'll thank me later.
4 ads, 2 creators, 1 afternoon. A real UGC agency would have billed you $1,000 and taken 2 weeks. But the next feature is the one that actually shocked me. Because so far, these are people standing still, talking. That's most UGC. But the ads that go viral have movement, the creator walking, turning, showing the product off from every angle. And I assumed that needed real footage. It doesn't. This is motion sync, and here's what it does. You take your character and you sync her to a motion, a movement, a gesture, a full dynamic performance. So instead of a talking head, you get a creator who actually moves like they're filming a real reel. I take Mila, I give it the motion, and it generates her performing it, while keeping her face, her identity consistent. Watch this. That's the same Mila from the very first ad, now moving, dynamic, alive. That is the difference between a clip that looks like an AI avatar and one that looks like a creator who genuinely filmed a reel in their kitchen. This is the feature I'd have paid for on its own. Quick tip, use your talking UGC ad videos for the message and drop in a motion sync clip for the scroll stopper at the start. Hook them with movement, sell them with the talking ad. That combo is the whole playbook. Now, what does all this actually replace? Let me put a number on this, because this is why the tool exists. One real UGC creator, $100 to $300 per video, plus your waiting days, plus if you want to tweak, that's another round and another invoice. Testing 10 different hooks for one product? That's a couple $1,000s in a month. With this, 10 variations of the same ad is 10 generations. You can A/B test hooks in an afternoon for the price of a coffee. For a dropshipper, an app founder, a small brand, anyone who lives and dies on ad creative, that's not a small saving, that's the entire game changing. That's the pitch. It's genuinely useful, which is exactly why I said yes to the sponsorship. Try it on the free credits and see for yourself. And once you've made a stack of these ads, you hit the next problem. You've got to actually post them, everywhere, constantly. That's what I use Repurpose.io for. You post once and it automatically pushes your video out to TikTok, Reels, Shorts, and Facebook, applies your captions, and strips the TikTok watermark on the way, which matters because Shorts throttles watermarked reposts. For UGC ads, where the whole strategy is volume and testing, that's a genuine time saver. Links in the description, it's an affiliate link so it supports the channel, and there's a free trial. So there it is, build a reusable creator, hand her a product and a 3-line script, and use motion sync to make her move. An entire UGC ad team on your PC. Go get your 60 free credits with the link in the description and build your first virtual creator tonight. Grab the free PDF while you're at it. All the scripts are in there. And tell me in the comments, what product would you make an AI creator sell first?
best answer gets built into a full ad in my next video. I'm serious, I'll make it. And that video right there is where I use free AI tools to make the actual product videos. Watch it next.